No matter who you're starting to welcome back, employees, students, customers, keeping everyone protected means high-touch areas are hot zones ripe for immediate attention. Let us help with Brady's Drinking Fountain Safety Cover Kits. Packaged with Brady's innovative Safe Key Lockout padlock, you'll keep hands-off high-touch areas in minutes. This dynamic duo means you have an innovative device that covers the spout of most drinking fountains to prevent use, without stopping the flow of water on bottle filling stations connected to the fountain. Installation is a cinch. You get a visual indicator and a physical barrier in one product. Kick those germs to the curb with this easy-to-use, first-of-its-kind safety combo.